We are come to Billboard Paradise store and we got this Link chocolate for the teacher. It's a very good brand basically, and we got this for the teacher. Okay. So friends, these are the nuggets that I made yesterday. We'll be sending these nuggets to school with Arthur because he has his party today. Friends, yes, last night we had got this chocolate to give to his class teacher, and we'll stick. So meanwhile, Arthur is playing with these magnets. So friends, I have put this gate because Arthur, he usually come to the kitchen all the time. So friends, these are the things that Arthur got from school. Hey friends, welcome to another vlog. I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So friends, today we are going to Billboard or Paradise to buy something for Arthur's teacher because tomorrow is his graduation day. He will be graduating to KG1, and we wanting to give a token of appreciation to his teacher. So we are come here to Billboard Clifton. So friends, we had gone to a Paradise store to get this small gift for his teacher. Basically, tomorrow Arthur will be is his last day in Montessori because he'll be graduating to KG1 very soon. So tomorrow is last day in school. So we thought of buying a small gift for his teacher. So we had gone to Paradise store and we got this Link chocolate for the teacher. It's a very good brand basically, and we got this for the teacher. Okay, and Arthur was crying, so we got this 2 chocolates for Arthur, although chocolates are not good for the health, but he was crying, so we got this for him. Secondly, Arthur was crying. This we got from Billboard basically. We got this a paper bag for the teacher because we're going to put this chocolate inside it and we're going to give it to her. In fact, Arthur is going to give this chocolate to his teacher. Okay, so he picked up this pencils because he was crying a lot. So he picked up this, and he picked up this activity pad, basically, coloring and all.
Yes, basically a coloring book.
A coloring book. So he picked up these things. These things he picked up from Billboard, and these things he picked up this chocolate from Paradise store. So tomorrow I'm going to show you here the teacher reaction when he's going to give this thing to his teacher. So friends, these are the nuggets that I made yesterday. क्योंकि वो आज आखिरी दिन है क्लास में आर्थर का, because he will be promoting to KG1 very soon. So today is the last working day in school. Today is the party. So each child is supposed to bring things from their house. Like for Arthur, they have written that he has to bring 6 nuggets. So basically, I have put 2 extras so that other kids or other people they can have it. And इसके अलावा मैंने ये बॉक्स रखा हुआ है because ये nuggets इस बॉक्स में जाएगा. And this is Arthur's one of the favorite lunch box that he usually take it to school, and he was insisting me that मुझे इसी lunch box में nuggets चाहिए. So I will be frying these nuggets now and I will be putting them in this box. So friends, मैंने ये frying pan लिया है और मैंने इसमें oil डाला है. So I'll keep it to preheated at least for 5 minutes before putting the nuggets. So meanwhile, Arthur is playing with these magnets. Arthur, you have to go to school right now, okay? So friends, as you can see that I've put this fence here because Arthur was very small when we had put this fence, because all the time he would come in the kitchen, and in kitchen there are a lot of things which is kept which we didn't wanted him to get hold of. So Austin just thought of putting a fence in the kitchen, because when I'm working in the kitchen I usually close this fence because Arthur try his level best to come inside the kitchen. So friends, as you can see that my oil has become hot. So now अभी मैं nuggets डालूंगी इसमें. As you can see that little small bubbles coming. So now I'm going to put nuggets in it. Okay, so I've put my nuggets in it. So अभी मैं wait करूँगी अच्छी तरह ये fry हो जाए. Now it's time to flip it. So guys, you can see that ये slightly golden brown हो गया है, but हम लोग इसको 5 minutes और रखेंगे so that it get cooked properly. Friends, so my nuggets are ready. As you can see that it has turned golden brown. So now it's time to dish it out. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि ये नगेट्स गोल्डन ब्राउन होना चाहिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, माय नगेट्स दे आर रेडी. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस इन दिस लंच बॉक्स. सो ये रेडी है अभी. फ्रेंड्स, ये लास्ट नाइट वी हैड गॉट दिस chocolate to give to his class teacher as a token of thanks and appreciation, you can say that. So now I am going to put this inside this bag. So I've put it in the bag and it's looking so good. I will be writing something for the teacher. Hence, I wrote this: to my dearest teacher, will miss you from Arthur and will stick like this. So friends, ये teacher का gift is ready and Arthur's 6 nuggets is ready. So now it's time to leave. So friends, Arthur is ready and Arthur is looking very cute by the grace of Almighty God, because he's all set to go to school, because today is the last day of Arthur in Montessori. So now by the grace of God in April he will be going to KG1. So he's very excited. Arthur gift अपनी टीचर को दे रहा है. So friends, the final moment is here of Arthur graduating, and you can see that Arthur is looking so happy. वो इतना खुश लग रहा है by the grace of Almighty God. All the kids, most of them who are in the class, they have been graduated to KG1, and Arthur is very excited. As you can see that he had got some things from the school. Wow, pencil. Wow, lollipop. Oh my god, how cute. Oh, here I come. Get ready. Get set. Here I go. I'm ready to show you all that I know. I've graduated preschool and now I'm done. I've laughed and learned so much. It's been lots of fun. Kindergarten, ready, set, go. I am ready now to show you all that I know. Get ready, kindergarten, because I am on my way. I've graduated preschool now. Hip hip hooray. Wow, very good. Wow.